You just landed at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica, where to get more welcome home, well-cooked Jamaican food. I'm at Shooters Hill, Bull Bay, just a few minutes away from the airport. And inside this kitchen, here's what's on the menu. Just 10 minutes away from the Norman Manley International Airport. We'll be eating some good food today. This is exclusive. I'm in Shooters Hill in Bull Bay. And listen, don't make the name chicken. This is actually a good spot to try some real Jamaican food. And today we're eating some pepper steak, some oxtail, some fried chicken, some jerk chicken, some fried sprat. You know, long when I eat sprat, some ackee and saltfish there on the menu today. Plantain, bummy, ton loads of stuff. This is Ash Jerk Stop. Crazy spot here in Shooters Hill. This is 10 minutes away from the Norman Manley International Airport. Me I tell you, you don't want to be disappointed. Just forward at this spot and try some food right inside the sewer go now. Yeah, man. Oh, ton loads of sprat. Oh yes.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah. Sprat up on the menu this morning.
Yeah, sprat. Fried plantain.
Ooh.
Bammy. Red fruit.
A ton of mixture.
And fried sweet potato.
Oh yeah. Wow. We're eating good food today. We're eating some good food today. We see the sprat right here. Oh, you know, long when I eat some sprat. Crazy vibes. Don't make the name chicken up. Me I tell you now. Come up on this hill. Come eat some good food. It's only 10 minutes from the airport. Me I tell you now. You won't be disappointed. Yeah, man. Aye. Yeah, man. Pepper steak go on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to cut this. Put the 2 onions. Yeah. No, 1.
So this after the sprat.
Yeah.
Season up that oil. So that oil is getting seasoned, well seasoned with the hot Scotch bonnet pepper. You see that onion, you see that garlic. You know when them sprat they go in at that pure flavor. Yeah man, see them go on there so. Well on, this is chicken back.
Yeah, jerk chicken back.
What?
Now jerk chicken, we do jerk chicken and jerk chicken back together.
What? Yo, you know I'm gonna eat chicken back. Goal. That's goal. Chicken back. We'll have to try some of that today. And we're getting it jerk. That cheese and peas, man. Ooh, just look on this. Look how the season them soak down in this. Wow. For all of the people, especially the people abroad when I live a yard, Me I telling you, you're supposed to know the feeling when we're talking about chicken back, whether it be jerk, whether it be curry, whether it be brown stew, anything at all. You're supposed to know me I talk about when you say yo chicken back. Ho ho, that's one of the things I grow and would happen for there, would there if actually see it pan the minute today and it a jerk. Well seasoned now. Yeah man. It's just strictly natural seasons. Strictly natural seasons. From the coconut, it goes straight to the scallion, to the onions. We see a lot of that. We see the sweet peppers, we see the Scotch bonnet peppers. Crazy amount of natural stuff.
Less powder.
Less powder. Crazy vibes here. Feeling so good inside of the outdoor space. Yeah man, remind me of country. But wait, then at Kingston. Shoot as well, Bull Bay, the vibes, yeah man.
Alright, scallion, onion,
I had the herbs and spices.
Sweet pepper.
Oh yeah, man, that oxtail looks so good, you know, that the seasoning just like up on that. We see all of that scallion, we see all of that onion, that sweet pepper, all of them fresh seasoned there, just like go inside that. Oh my god, the feeling. Wow. Oh, fish time. Fish time. Fish time. Yo, it's been a while since I had some sprat. I can't wait to taste some sprat. Believe me. Yeah, man. One of my favorite that on the menu today. Sprat. Yes, man. I want to know the real Jamaican style, especially now in December, coming up to the Christmas time. You know, say sprat is one of the things that a lot of people going to have in their homes now. Frying up some sprat. Cheese and peas, especially at them time. Yeah. What nice so. Yeah, man.
Alright, still.
Oh wow.
Let's make this go and cook down now.
Oh, the smell of that cheese and peas, man. That smells so good. That smells so good. Boy, just imagine if you could actually just smell these pots. With me, I tell you, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. The smell, the smoke. Oh yeah, can't get no better than this. And we have some sprat over here, so fry. Ooh,
so you throw this
one in Oxtail?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just throw it in there now.
Ooh.
That have a gear that
Oh, yeah.
You see the smell right?
Oh yeah. So all of this is just pure seasoning.
Yeah.
Oh, pure blended seasoning. The water there, so a good, you call it good water. Sprat's going on right now. Yeah, man. Slip on that and the smell of this, so amazing. Those sprats getting flipped on the other side. I want to know sprat and take long to fry, just a few minutes, and that ready to eat well, crunchy and nice. And the thing with sprat is, especially in this time, as I mentioned before, you want to get some of that hot. As soon as that come out of the oil, you want to just get that crunch out of it. Amazing taste, amazing texture, amazing everything. Yeah, man.
Sweet pepper.
Getting some season to the pepper steak, yeah man. It's that time. Ooh. I have a sprat going on right over here. Oh yeah. Amazing vibe here.
just left this now, make it go on do its thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Ketchup.
All of them seasoning just want soak in.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's the first already watch. God. Oh, God. Wow. More in again. These look so good, man. Amazing. We see that pepper steak, we see all of that seasoning, all of that spices. We see the onions, the scallions, the scotch bonnet, the thyme, all of them things they can season up that pepper steak. Also we saw that oxtail around here, and just after that we saw the sprat. We saw the first batch come out. And if you can get that taste when that crispy and just pop out of the fire. And also the second batch coming right now. Yo, the smell of this place is so amazing. When last time I smell sprat I fry? When last time I smell some sprat? Just a fry up in some good old seasoned oil. Oh, God, man. Yeah, man. Let's see if we can get one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, with this sprat. This is the first batch.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
Pepper?
Just that, yeah, man. Just give me a look at, yeah, just a look at touch.
It's well hot here.
Well hot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Nice. The spring pickle that juice all right. Ooh.
Or you want some of the juice?
Just a little bit of, nice. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man. This is what you want to see. Yeah, man. This is from the first batch. Oh, yeah. I'll get some sprat for charity. This is a piece. So amazing. So amazing. It's been a while since I have sprat, and yeah, soup on this. Soup on this. Yeah, man. First batch of sprat coming up. Yeah, man. Remember, you know, when you eat them thing here, you have to eat everything. You eat the head, you eat the tail, you're not left nothing at all. You just go right down and I just look on this. Ah, God. Yeah, eat the backbone, like the belly bone. Everything. Oh, what's the steam? Don't touch the steam. Everything with the sprat has to have a. Just deal with it. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. All that carrot, the spice kicking in. It's well hot. This tastes so good. Amazing in the Christmas time. This is one of the things for the homes them up here. If you don't get none yet, it's not too late. We still have time before Christmas. Get some and fry up for the whole family. Everything that this man come. Come on. Let's start from the tail. I'm going at it. And to nice and flavorful these are when you eat them thing, you don't even worry about the bones. You just want to bite and go in and get the flavor and just eat. See all them bone, everything. Just to get this mangle. Just like that. Just like that. Oh yeah.
I really two girls mainly. One named Ashley And she there and she buy the food and she said the dust blew up on her and she said, oh my God, we should call it Ash Jerk Stop. And I said that's a good name.
Whoa.
So it stick right there.
So the ash from the coal.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, so it
The
gets
name
its
stick.
name. Yeah. And the food is good now.
Wow. Oh, crazy. Yo, so the hear that, so the name Ash
Come up.
just come from the actual coal, cause a lot of the stuff actually cook on coal. Oh yeah, and them say coal flavor food too. We don't know that. We don't know what you this but for our born we hear that. But we are stick to it. It flavor food. It coal flavor food the chew. This is one of the things we grew up seeing and we actually grew up doing also. Understand, just fanning that fire. We do it with a lot of wood fire because in our days growing up, sometimes we could even afford coal. So we have to use the dry wood from the bush. And that's how we have to keep fanning it. Yeah man, take a piece of cardboard or a plate or some dish cover or something and we keep fanning that. Just remind me of the good old times, the good old Jamaican vibes. Yeah man. Real country vibes in a Kingston. Yeah man. Oh yeah, these pretty. These feet are pretty. Wash and well soaked down in a vinegar, I say. Oh yeah. Man, then put your pretty.
Of course.
Who said them not eat foot? Them foot have foot for try. Yeah man, you see them foot there? You see them foot there clean? Manicure, pedicure, down. Well nice and clean. These are some foot one need for try. Yeah man. Yeah.
Still in my come on, yeah? And I want it to drop off of the bone.
Oh, you want the people to get a little chew off it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And you want it drop off of the bone.
Oh yeah, and that color is amazing. Oxtail coming out nice there. Yeah man, the fish them, the pepper steak. Oh God, this place is a place to be. Yeah man, as gonna leave from airport, just drive come up on that hill like 2 minutes after the meal. Not even 2 minutes. Literally not 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, not even a minute, just a couple seconds. Just drive come up the lane and I go see it on the left hand side. On the left hand side, just a green wall with 2 diamonds on it. And you can't miss. I'm gonna find Ash Jerk Stop 10 minutes from airport. Yeah man, come get some good food.
Start catch the color here. Some of them not stick on the grill, you know?
Yeah man. Oh man, let me just slide off easy though.
Eh?
Them just come off easy though man.
Yeah man.
No sticking.
Why
They smoke your expensive perfume, man. Man, some of the best smoke. Yeah, man. Just inhale all of that, make all of that just flourish for you, and just take over the whole of your clothes and your body. And after all of that, more sprat. Still a fry. Yeah man, sprat can done. Oh yeah, that's what I want to see. Oh.
Alright.
Oh, thank you so much. Pepper steak. I'm gonna test this right now. Mm. Oh yes. Flavorful. Oh, can't wait for go down. We can't wait for go down some more of that cheese and peas. The taste of that. And also the oxtail finish up. We see the sprat them frying up. Fried chicken I got there. We see the jerk chicken back. We see the jerk chicken. It's just amazing. Crazy spot here in Shooters Hill, man. Okay, look for this color before you actually flip them.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
See? And you don't want them too dark and too dry out.
Nice.
You know?
Golden. Oh, this golden.
Yeah.
Boy, one thing I must do, you know. And chicken back there full of meat though.
Yes.
Yeah man, they're full of meat. Just by looking at it, you can see the flesh. Oh, pure goodies to the soup. Super rich till can't reach some money soup. Rich. Alright, man, super.
Got a pumpkin pretty. The color of the pumpkin? Yeah.
Yep, the entire pot.
Yeah, chicken back.
Just like that.
Yeah.
The color can come around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we eating some good jerk chicken back today, man. Eating some jerk chicken back. What if we're going at the chicken back? That is a must.
That's a pepper. That's what that does.
Wow.
Gets the flesh from the coconut very
Yeah,
easily.
man.
Well, coconut's not in season now, so they're not looking the best.
Hold on, so you have a time when coconut not in season? You think coconut was always, I think, what, like all year round thing?
It's all year round, but sometimes it's less than ever.
Oh.
Yesterday at the market, it wasn't that much. Joe? No, was it that?
Really?
This is the sauce for the jerk chicken. So we're gonna make it boil up, and then now you're gonna see how we dip our jerk chicken kind of different from regular jerk chicken. So we kind of dip it in this sauce and then put it back on the grill. And then this sauce now we bring out the flavor more and softness of the chicken. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
All right. So we'll make that bubble up now.
That the color that the color that is actually the first time seeing a sauce looking like that. The color is different. We're going to see if it going to change still, but when I hear that I can make the chicken more nicer, more moist also, the texture that I feel like too. Yeah, man, can't wait.
so for the fried chicken. So I get this pretty color when time it finish. You know?
Oh yeah.
And now we just use it on the jerk. Jerk chicken now. Not yet.
Oh, for day in the kitchen, I want to try a piece of the coconut. Fresh, as fresh as it gets. Thank you so much. As fresh as it gets. And the cook, that jerk chicken right there. The jerk chicken and that chicken buck is coming on so nice. We see the sauce over there, so I go and simmer down. That I go dip. And rest is history. Oh yeah. And that fried chicken coming on. All of that flour, well seasoned, all that chicken, well seasoned when that dropping on the oil. Just pure goodness. This is just 10 minutes away from the Norman Manley International Airport. Crazy.
Alright.
Freshly blended coconut milk. Wow. Oh wow, this done. What?
Morning. Me not quite sure. Me I run late today, Karen. My rice and peas just a season up. Can you believe it? Yeah, please do. Thank you. Alright, bye. Yeah, this is the jerk chicken back.
What, you give them one dip?
Just give them one
Just
dip.
give them one. Oh.
Yeah. Drain them off a little bit.
Yeah, man.
Place them back on the fire.
Back on that over the heat.
Yeah.
Oh.
So you get that glassy taste.
Oh, yeah. These are basically ready.
Yeah, almost. Yeah. Next to eat.
Next to eat. Wow.
Alright. Just give it 5 minutes and it's good to go.
These look real good.
Thank you. Alright.
Cover him up. Alright. Those the jerk chicken and that jerk chicken back. Yo, that looks so good. I will see that get that dip in the sauce right now and go back on the grill. So that can spend a few more minutes and that basically ready. Wow. Oh yeah, fried chicken. Fried chicken I go on there now.
part me use here, me see here the tongue. Now when you get burnt by your fingers, man.
That's your word.
Yeah, me see. None of that thing you use. Where the strain it?
Millions of pimento. Oh, flavor.
Park them, let's see. Alright. Good morning. Don't ready yet. I wash off this area. And this is for you,
Oh yeah. Alright, so take time come now.
yeah.
Alright.
Rice and peas.
Coming on nice. Oh, you can tell that this is gonna be good one. You can see that this is not too shelly neither.
Yes. No.
Thing just shrinky.
Turn that in already, you know.
So we have coconut water,
Oh yeah.
sorrel, mango orange, cucumber, no, June plum,
That's June plum
and this is cucumber.
and the cucumber. Okay, nice. Wow.
You can see that the colors are similar because of the ginger, but they are quite distinctly different.
Nice. Oh,
This is jerk chicken and
fries.
fries with
Wow.
cheese, mayo, and ketchup.
So people can actually get these right here at the spot.
Yeah.
Then get them fries with any size
Done
what they
to
want.
order, same time, yeah.
People ever come ask me, fries and oxtail. Eh?
Yeah.
I heard fries and oxtail.
Yeah, you can get anything
Crazy.
you want with the
Whoa.
fries, man, you get it.
Get it, natural
Yeah.
vibes. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Soup time. Oh yeah. We're going to the soup. This is still it's just coming for the fire, but you know we can't wait. We can't wait to have to go into this test out some of this. We see this prepared from basically scratch. We see that chicken food going clean and pretty. Washed down with vinegar, paintings and all of that seasoning, all of that food that Yum, that breadfruit. Look on this.
Yeah.
This looks so good.
Patrick.
Don't touch it, yes, sir.
Boy, that soup have a heavenly taste. Oh my god. Not too. This is not spicy. I wouldn't even say not too spicy. This is not spicy. Not salt. Not fresh. Just it's like it's just perfect. Ooh. Yo, them type of soup here, you have a drink about cheap 4 cups. This is not overly powered, you know. Some soup that you drink, it's overpowered by the it's either the noodle, the cup noodle, or it's too salty or something like that. This just step on a level right now where you can actually just somebody with high blood pressure can just drink this straight. Whoa. Oh, rich. Also, it's so rich. Oh, let's see if we get a piece of this. Yeah. Oh, it's that good. Not even 5 minutes in drinking this, and it basically done. This is what I talk about. Flavorful, but not overpowered by anything at all. Everything just complements everything inside of this cup. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll also get the pumpkin seed. The pumpkin seed. Wow. Also the pimento. Oh, this cup of soup done. This cup of soup just done. Just like that. And of course, I'm on the last little bit left. Foot. Delicious cup of soup. This soup is amazing. No joke. Just like that, I have some stuff going into right now. The oxtail, the pepper steak. Oh, want to say more sprat, fried chicken, crazy stuff. Yeah, more. So finally, after all of that waiting, we've been here from in the morning and we've been through the process. You know, I see this. Oh God. Well, I'm not showing you this yet. But I'm actually showing you the chicken back. This is actually the chicken back. They have the chicken on the grill also, but it's been a while since I had chicken back. And we get it in jerk. We see that up on the grill, we see the seasonings, we see the sauce, deep in the sauce, and the whole technique. Oh, what a taste this was. Hold on. Oh, that's the chicken back right here. We'll soon go back over this, but just look at this.
The cheese meal.
Oh, just look at this. We got the pepper steak. Hold on. Subscribe. Just subscribe. Remember to like the video. I don't normally tell people to subscribe, but do subscribe if you don't love the food contents. If you don't love the food contents, also drop a thumbs up on the video. This is amazing. We in Shootersville in Bull Bay. And listen, don't make the name trick on a forward. It's like 10 minutes from the Norman Manley International Airport. As you come off a plane and you can come as about. Back to the food. We have the plantain in this. We have some nice steamed veg right here. Some fried chicken, some oxtail. Oh, see the oxtail right? That's our peep. We see the fried chicken up on top. Look at this. I will get a nice leg. Oh, at the oxtail and at the bean them from the oxtail. And we got the pepper steak. That's right down at the bottom right here. This is some amazing food. We are gonna go down in this right now, and also that rice and peas. We see a tons load of coconut milk just pour over into that. Oh God, this is the food. This is the vibe. And we are gonna go down in this right now. Just look on this. Oh, and before we actually go into the food, just remember they have tons loads of natural juices that were made. Freshly squeezed, fresh fruit juices, I should say. This is the mango orange. I've never, let me know if you never tried this mixture before. This is mango orange. I've never tried mango orange. It was always mango carrot or mango something else. But this is mango orange. Go try this flavor.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Whoa, this mixture is
That one here, you know?
different.
Okay.
You're tasting the mango, but also that unique orange flavor is actually standing out too. You're actually tasting it. But none of them now actually overpower. They might complement each other.
Okay.
Oh, I like this. We soon go back in that. And of course, it's the Christmas season. We're heading down in Christmas now, so we have to have little sorrel.
Okay, alright, me do that.
Okay, we see.
Fresh, not sweet. Could I drink 5 bottles of that just now? Just go up some 5 bottles, but we have to go down in that food first. Go down in this rice and peas first. Oh. Boy. Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Let's get that back close to the camera. Yo, this right. That coconut milk, that flavor, all of them seasonings and them herbs that will go down in the pot. Also, we'll get a little piece of the right plantain. Remember, they do tons of sides. Aside they do the breadfruit, fried breadfruit, the Bami festival, all of them things there. And of course, anything at all, any sides at all you want with fries, and also do the fries, you can get it. Amazing. Oh. Stir fry. Oh yeah, always amazing getting that crunch. Not steamed right out. You're getting that crunch from it, you can hear the crunch. Crunchy. That carrot, that pop chow. Oh yeah, we can't wait. I have to go down to this right now. Famous chicken back. And this is not flame chicken back. You're actually getting meat on this. Look on the amount of flesh. Look at the amount of flesh. This chicken back is amazing. This chicken back is amazing.
Oh, thanks.
Yo.
And that sauce, we see that dipping of the sauce then go back over the heat for a few minutes. Oh. Crazy taste. As I said, dangerous. Spice are kicking. I'm going to some of this fried chicken. Always good pulling up a restaurant if I get fried chicken. Every restaurant, you won't forget fried chicken. That's one of the main things on the menu every single day. The seasonings. Oh. That's some good old fried chicken right here.
Yeah, man. Nothing wrong with that, man.
Also, we have the oxtail. And it's the Christmas season, a lot of people go and prepare oxtail at the yard. See some item right there. Come in. Where's that jiggle? Come in. You're getting chews out of that meat. It don't just fall off of the bone. You actually can chew that and enjoy that. Full joy that. Just like that. Just like that. Look on that one. Look on that. Let's see if we can bite into this. Bone soft. Amazing. Amazing. Also, this pepper steak will actually taste a little piece of this when it just get a little. I think it just seasoned, pot just seasoned, and that was amazing. To go back in some light. Yeah, man, this is it. That flavor. Also, one of the main culprits in this pepper steak, you're going to find the sweet pepper. Green, red, orange, chops all in. Man, this is what you call good food. Real Jamaican food prepared right here on the ground. Outside, it is outdoor on coal fire. You ain't getting no better than this. Go back to more in the sorrel. If I follow this syrup, I drink it off right now. Just drink it off straight. But also this mango, orange, the unique flavor. I've had mango passion before, also mango with lime, also mango with carrot, but mango with orange, kind of new to me, and this is tasting so good.
It's the Christmas current. Not come yet. It's the Christmas already. Sorry.
Ah.
That must start by as it coming.
This? Yeah, them two flavor, yeah. Wicked flavor. Yeah, man. Oh, I got some more at food. We're not doing it. Yeah, man. But you don't know the vibes. Right here. And shoot, that's it. Once again, I'll pin the location.
We have
Just a minute up the main. Not even a minute, just 2 seconds right up the road.
pepper steak,
And you'll find this green.
jerk chicken back.
You're gonna
stir
find a
fried
green fence with
vegetable.
2 diamonds.
Breadfruit is
On the
available.
camis.
Oh,
Oh.
man, yes I did. Certainly did.
Oh,
Jerk chicken back, fried chicken.
Yeah, I tell you, I'm tired. Mama, you know say I'm tired, no?
Oxtail and pepper steak. Fried chicken.
just remind me of country going back up in the days. Chicken back was the thing. Chicken back was the main thing on the menu in our house. And just to the area eat some jerk chicken back, usually have it brown stew a lot.
Right.
Cooked down, fricassee, curry, you name it. In a soup, especially in a soup, we used to have a lot of chicken back in a soup. Crazy amount of chicken back in our soup. But you see this now, we're eating some jerk chicken back. It's just bring back so a lot of memories, man. Eating the chicken back.
It's a lot of
When I come to Jamaica, off of the plane, and just grab some chicken back, some jerk chicken back right here at Ash Jerk Stop. That's the vibe. Yard life. Yeah, man. Also, that soup was amazing. Yeah, I get soup to go. But that soup was amazing. The taste of that, the texture.
Oxtail.
You need to come try them chicken soup.
No,
Come try them chicken foot soup.
Pepper steak and jerk chicken and
I got them in a mouth. This is what I call oxtail. So you have to come get some vibes. That food was amazing. But they are with two juice in them, and this is the mango orange and also the I know Christmas time, but that oxtail, that rice and peas, that pepper steak, that jerk chicken back that stood out, and me I tell you, on the need for forward there, so come try some of the food today. In a Shooters Hill, and on the don't know.
Right at Ash Jerk Stop.
Crazy vibes. Just forward, come try some food. Oh, Grace around the corner there, right? But I don't know the vibes. Peace and love.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for making it to Ash. Do enjoy. Bye.
Bless up. Food and juice. Natural juice. Christmas time. Come get some sorrel, right? That's a crazy vibe.
Yeah, wake up them here now.
No. Let them go and stay a little bit.
Oh yeah. Find that, man.